Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a stable internet connection, because extracting keys needs elevation. Once ready, open PowerShell as administrator, type PowerShell in Start, right-click and choose Run as admin. Make sure to create a restore point or backup critical files first. This prevents accidental loss if you change activation settings. Now that PowerShell is elevated and your system state is saved, you're ready for the exact commands to reveal the Windows 11 product key. Next, run the command that extracts the digital product key from the registry and firmware. In PowerShell, paste the specific script that decodes the digital product ID value into a readable key and press Enter. The output will display a 25-character key with dashes. Copy it exactly, preserving dashes and spacing. If the key is OEM embedded, understand it's tied to the motherboard firmware. This is why activation often transfers with the same hardware. Once you have the key saved, verify it against your Microsoft account if available. Finally, verify the key by opening Settings right arrow System right arrow Activation and checking activation status. If Windows reports not activated, sign into the Microsoft account that holds the digital license and link the device. Make sure to use the copied key when prompted. If activation still fails, run the activation troubleshooter in Settings or use the command line slmgr. VBS tools to re-enter the key. Key tip: if firmware-stored keys don't appear, check BIOS/UEFI or contact the laptop maker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.